Hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you my crispy sesame chicken recipe. For my crispy sesame chicken, you will need a half a cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 pound of skinless, boneless chicken breast cut into small pieces, 2 eggs beaten, and for the sauce you will need a 1/4 cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and you will also need salt and pepper to taste. To start the recipe, you will add your sesame oil, your cooking oil, your cornstarch. This is the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, your brown sugar, your soy sauce, and your cooking wine. Then you will put your honey in, and you're going to mix this well. Now that all the ingredients are mixed together, we will set this aside. Now we are going to take our chicken and we're going to put some salt and some pepper on it. And we're going to mix this. Now we are going to add our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into our chicken, and we're going to mix that well. Now we are going to take our 2 beaten eggs and mix in with our chicken and soy sauce. We're going to mix that well. Now that we have our eggs mixed into our chicken, we are going to add our half a cup of cornstarch. We're going to mix that well. You want to mix until there's no more white of the cornstarch that you can see. Now that we have all this mixed up, it's time to cook the chicken. Now you will turn about a 1/2 inch of oil on to medium heat and let it come up to temperature. Now that our oil is hot, we are going to drop our chicken in piece by piece. We do not want to crowd the pan or we will not get a good brown on the chicken. Now we are going to let these brown on this side, turn them, and let them brown on the other side. Now that my chicken has browned on both sides, I am going to take it out of the oil. And I'm going to drain it on some paper towels. Then I'm going to get my other batch of chicken in. Now that my chicken has browned on this side, I'm going to turn them and allow them to brown on the other side. Now that these have cooked on this side for a couple minutes, I'm going to take this chicken out and put it with the other chicken on the paper towel. Now that we have all of our chicken cooked, I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of oil and put it into my wok, and I'm going to bring this up to a medium-low temperature. Now that our oil has warmed up, we're going to put our garlic and our ginger into our wok, and we're going to saute this for about 30 seconds. Now that our garlic and ginger has been sauteing for about 30 seconds, I'm going to give my sauce a mix. Then I am going to put it into my wok. And I am going to constantly stir this until my sauce thickens. When your sauce gets thick like this, it's time to put our chicken into our wok. And now we're going to mix this up well. Now that our chicken is covered in the sauce, it is time to plate. I have paired my crispy sesame chicken with some white rice, some honey carrots, and some egg rolls. If you're ever in the mood for something fast and easy, but you don't want to order out Chinese takeout again, you should give this recipe a try. You'll love it, I guarantee. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below what you want to see me cook next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.